Hi, Dr. Herfindahl. Today we're going to make organic sunscreen. So we're going to do that today, and I'm with my daughter Christina, so she's going to help us out doing this today. So the first thing what she's going to do is she's going to take do 3/4 cups of coconut oil. So you want to do that, Christina?
Okay.
So the nice thing about living in San Diego is that we're pretty warm here, so our coconut oil is actually pretty soft. So just do 3/4 cups of that. There we go. That's good. So she's going to put it in a 8-ounce mason jar. So she's going to do that. So that's 1/4 cup. This is something fun you can do as far as with your kids as well. So there we go. And coconut oil, just to let you know, there's a lot of good options as far as using coconut oil as far as cooking. So we got 3/4 cups of coconut oil. Take that. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to actually putting as far as 1 tablespoon of pomegranate oil. So that's what the pomegranate oil looks like. Go ahead and Christina, put that 1 tablespoon. We already pre-measured to make it a little easier to do that. So she put 1 tablespoon of pomegranate oil on that. The next thing what we're going to do is we're going to be using 2 tablespoons. So here you go. Of here's a spoon of shea butter. This is actually good for your skin, just overall. So you can use that. I know after we use this for sunscreens, my wife will actually use this for hands and feet. She can definitely do that. So get that all in there. That's pretty sticky. So, and the last thing what we're going to do is she's going to be taking about 10 drops of lavender oil. So how are we doing here? So good. So here we go. Here you can do 10 drops of the lavender oil if you can take care of that. So lavender oil, that's something you can actually use as far as at home at night if you want to get sleep. Put a lavender oil in the back of your head or even your feet, or rub in your kids' feet as far as your feet or loved ones' feet. So how are we doing with that? Got it all done? Smells pretty good, huh? So I always remember coconut oil as a kid growing up as far as having that sunscreen with coconut. Hawaiian, I think it was called. So now what's going to happen, Christina's going to grab that mixture. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and double boil it. So we're going to have a saucepan that's actually with warm water under medium heat. And what we're going to do is we're going to put that in there and we're going to allow it melt. And then we're going to be back in a few minutes and show you exactly what the next step is.
Boom! Magic!
So now we got it as far as all liquefied. So now we're going to go ahead and put it down. It's a little warm right now. So now what Christina's going to do, she's going to put 2 tablespoons of zinc oxide. That's this stuff. So go ahead and put that in there right now. And here's a spoon. So she's going to mix it. She's going to mix it up too right now too. So, and that just, look at that little bubbling going on. Pretty fun, huh? Everyone likes bubbles, right? You like bubbles? Yeah. So look at that go. See how? So that's why with the zinc oxide we don't want to boil it, because you can see right now it's already kind of making some fizzy kind of motions right off the bat. You can just dump that in there. So good job. Give me that. Okay, so go ahead as far as you want to mix it up a little bit there. So this is your natural sunscreen going on. Mix it up pretty good there. So what's going to happen is she's going to mix it all up, and then we're going to let it cool, and we'll put of course put the lid on it. And right off the bat, when it's as far as cool, just take your fingers and away you go. So of course enjoying the sun here, and of course sunny San Diego, right? So mix that all up. Look at that, now it turns white. So instead of the yellow, I don't think anyone really want that yellow stuff on there, but now it's as far as a nice little color. So looks like you're all done with that, right? Well, in closing, hey, hopefully it's as far as you try as far as the sunscreen out, and tell us what you think about it. So yours in health, Dr. Herfindahl, and my assistant Christina today, right? Good job. All right, enjoy.